Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. I'm showing you this little sped up video. This is one of the processes that I go through from time to time when you're simply dissatisfied with everything that's happening on the canvas. And that's why I named this painting Pivot, because I pivoted directions of how I was painting and what I was painting so many times that I've lost track. But one of the great things was that as I went along, I learned a lot of different things from just messing around with the paint. Right there, that looks really good. I like that. I should have left that, it was quite pretty. But, I was dissatisfied with it at the time and kept on going. And we ended up creating this gray mud at the end. And adding the little pops of color, I really like the way that the painting ended, where I stopped working on it. And that gives me an idea going forward of doing that on purpose, doing kind of a monochromatic mixed background and adding the pops of color. So next time it can be planned out with particular colors and a particular end in mind. And without going through this crazy process on this painting, I wouldn't have thought of that. So there we go. It was definitely worth it. And I got to play with paint for an hour, so yay for me. That's why I sped it up. This took a long, long time, but it was fun. And even though I was dissatisfied along the way, so happy with how it ended. So please, I hope that you enjoy watching this chaotic process for the creation of Pivot.